Hey there, welcome back to our math series. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: solving linear equations. Don't worry if you find it challenging. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at solving linear equations step by step. So, let's dive right in. Understanding linear equations. Before we start solving, let's get a good grasp of what linear equations are. A linear equation is an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1, as shown in the equation. Let's start with our first example. In this example, we have 3x plus 5 equals 14. Our goal is to find the value of x. To do that, we'll follow a set of steps for each equation we encounter. Here are the steps we'll follow to solve any linear equation. Step 1. Get rid of any parentheses. Step 2. Combine like terms on each side. Step 3. Isolate the variable term by moving constant terms to the other side. Step 4. Simplify the equation. Step 5. Solve for x. Step 6. Verify your solution by substituting it back into the original equation. Let's work through our first example together. Example 1 to 3x plus 5 equals 14. Step 1. No parentheses here, so let's move on. Step 2. Combine like terms. 3x equals 14 5. Step 3. Isolate x by moving the constant term 5 to the other side so that we have 3x equals 9. Step 4. Simplify by dividing both sides by 3. Then x equals 9 divide 3. Step 5. Solve for x equals 3. Step 6. To verify, substitute x back into the original equation. 3 plus 5 equals 9 plus 5 equals 14. And there you have it. X equals 3. Now, let's tackle a slightly more complex example. Example 2 to 4, 3x plus 2 equals 20. Recall the step-by-step solving process. Step 1. Distribute the 4 on the left side to remove the parentheses. 12x plus 8 equals 20. Step 2. Combine like terms. 12x equals 28. Step 3. Isolate x by moving the constant term 8 to the other side. 12x equals 12. Step 4. Simplify. X equals 12 twelfths. Step 5. Solve for x equals 1. Step 6. Verify. 3 asterisk 1 plus 2 equals 4, 3 plus 2 equals 4 times 5 equals 20. So, our solution is correct. X is indeed 1. Let's try one final example. Example 3 to 2x, 3 plus 5 equals 9. Follow our step-by-step solving process. Step 1. No parentheses, so we move on. Step 2. Combine like terms. 2x, 3 equals 9 5. Step 3. Isolate x by moving the constant term 5 to the other side. 2x, 3 equals 4. Step 4. Simplify. X equals 4 asterisk 3 halves. Step 5. Solve for x equals 6. Step 6. Verify. 2 times 6 divided by 3 plus 5 equals 2 asterisk 2 plus 5 equals 4 plus 5 equals 9. And there we have it. X is indeed 6. Congratulations! You've now mastered solving linear equations. Here are a few questions for you to practice with. Remember to practice regularly to become even more confident in your skills. The answers will be available in the description box. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more math tips and tricks. Until next time, happy mathing!